In this series of training videos, we will provide an overview of the camera and installation steps. The Avigilon H5A Corner camera is an anti-ligature, no-grip, and IK10 impact-rated solution that can handle the harshest attempts to destroy, detach, attach to, or disable it. Facilities seeking a vandal-resistant camera, such as jails, prisons, hospitals, or general applications, can leverage the H5A Corner camera's wide field of view to reduce blind spots. A built-in microphone for optional audio recording capabilities, and an invisible IR LED light not to generate attention in dark areas. In the next segment, the corner camera's exterior and interior features are overviewed. Let us start with the camera's assembled view. The vandal-resistant front cover is highlighted here. The recording LED turns on when the camera is streaming video to a local micro SD card or another video management software system or the camera web interface. Next to the LED is the built-in audio receiver. Located here are the tamper-resistant screws to fix the dome cover to the base. Next, let's look at the components within the housing. Highlighted here is the camera lens. Connect this cable to the LED connector on the front cover to power the recording and IR LED. Connect this cable to the microphone audio connector on the front cover to use the built-in microphone. Use the hook here for connecting the lanyard and the camera cover. Next, let's take a closer look at the camera gimbal. Use the slot here to insert a micro SD card for onboard storage. Note that the audio microphone cable comes pre-installed to this connector. Located on the back of the gimbal is the Ethernet port. Server communication and image data transmission occur over this connection. The port also receives power when it's connected to a network that provides power over Ethernet. The power connector block accepts a terminal block with either an AC or DC power connection. DC input can be either polarity. Use this option when PoE is not available. The connection status LED provides information about device operation. The link LED indicates if there is an active connection in the Ethernet port. Located on the front of the gimbal is the micro USB port. Use this port when using a supported USB Wi-Fi adapter. See the Avigilon website for ordering details. The I/O connector block provides connections to external I/O devices. Located here is the Firmware Revert button. This button resets the camera to its factory default settings. In the next and final segment of this video, the housing and the camera cover are reviewed. Located here are the cable entry holes for the required cables. Shown here are the mounting points for the camera with rubber grommets inserted. That completes the overview of the H5A Corner camera.